Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. I have something really simple. It's not gonna take me too much time to show you, but I have a new installation thanks to Cartering Home. They sent me these mud flaps for their RAV4. For any 2019 to 2021 Toyota RAV4, we have these mud flaps, and when you open your package, first thing that you need to see is the letters in here. It says for 2019 RAV4, but any RAV4 you can fit this on. I don't know about the Adventure, but for any other RAV4 this will work. In this one it says FR. It's gonna be front right, so this is gonna be on the front from the passenger side, and this one says RR, rear right, so this is for the rear. And if you see the difference, the rear one is longer, so they're gonna go right here. And the only thing that I really kind of like I didn't like is that you have to make a hole into the bumper. I don't know how you feel about that. At the beginning I was like, I don't feel like it. If you want to get these parts, I just want to let you know that you gotta make two holes, one here into the bumper and one here into the plastic. But if you committed and you want to do it, it's up to you. For this installation, you gotta remove the 10mm bolt underneath right here and the clip in here. For the other two holes, you're gonna make holes into the bumper. So the first one will be this one on top. First clip, make sure that you clean the area. And for the bottom one, I'm gonna use my ratchet to get it out. It's a 10mm. When you put it on, you don't have to remove this. This part is gonna go on top, and then you just put the clip. Line up the holes and push the clip. That's all it takes. And for the bottom one, same thing. Once you get it out, just put your screw back in. Okay, it's in place. Now for these ones, let's make the holes. Actually, I'm just gonna make one and let me show you. If you can see right there, it has the holes for those two, but the only thing I'm gonna do is push it and make my hole right there. For this, because I don't feel like removing the tire, I have this setup for my little screw. So with my ratchet, I'm just gonna make the hole right there. But if you don't have that and you wanna use a screwdriver or drill first, you're gonna have to remove the tire because there is no room in there. Now for the one on the bottom, I have to remove the tire because I don't have any room, because this is too long for that. So I'm not even gonna bother. They're not going anywhere. But if you wanna do the one on the bottom, yes, you have to remove the tire. Now you can see the mud flap on this side and the one on the other side. I already did this side and I already did the front one. And this is the passenger side front. It's even easier on the front. You have one clip in here. Remove that one and one on the bottom. And the one on the bottom is longer. If you can see in there, it has these little weird clips. Those, you can put the screws inside those. You don't have to remove them because it's kind of difficult to remove those. And that's the clip that I removed. And that's the one on the bottom. Okay, now that we have the right one, which is front right, we just put it the same way on top. Grab your small clip, put it on, push it. For the bottom one, you have to line up the holes. Remove the center part from the clip so we can push this one in first, and then we put the second one. Because if you have this one on it, it's more difficult. So now that we have the first part, we just push the second one in place. And like I said before, it has those two little holes. You don't have to remove them. You just put the screw on top of it, and like that, we just put it in. You can move the tires either way, so you're gonna have more room to work on this, because with the tire like that, it's kind of difficult. But I can manage to put my ratchet in there. Okay, and there you have it. Installation is done. And with the mouth flaps, you're gonna prevent all this, or maybe not 100%, but you're gonna minimize this, because this is how it looks every time it rains. This is how my steps and my trim looks, and the paint too, really bad. So that's the screw right there. Hopefully you can see it. That's the other one. That's the top clip, and that's the bottom clip. So there you have it, guys. Super easy installation. I hope you like this little episode. Link is gonna be in the description for these mud flaps if you wanna get yours. If you have questions, guys, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.